Well, earlier on I spoke to Akin Siddique, who is the president of the Uyghur Projects Foundation, and got his reaction to the tribunal's findings.
I'm extremely happy because we have connection back home. We have always been getting bad news from our homeland on the daily basis, but we are so voiceless in the international community. This tribunal gave us a legal basis to hold the Chinese government accountable for the crimes they committed against the Uyghurs and other Turkic peoples in East Turkestan. So we are very happy about that, and this is a historic event for us.
This tribunal was unofficial. What do you hope will come out of this?
I hope the international community move faster than before and take some action. So far, the Chinese government didn't allow anybody from the international community to go to East Turkestan and investigate. The outside world's findings so far is still a very little part of what actually happened in East Turkestan. I have some connections, sources in East Turkestan and also in China's central government. I get many pieces of information which is much worse than what have been reported in the Western media. For example, even today, the Western media says more than 1 million Uyghurs have been detained in concentration camps. But my source in the top level Chinese police office of the government department tells me about 9 million Uyghurs have been detained since 2014. This number may surprise many people. The Uyghur population is not 11 or 12 millions as Chinese government reported so far. It is about 20 million. So from the 20 million Uyghur people, about 9 million have been detained since 2014, and about 1 million people have died. So we have even more details about that. For example, among those 9 million Uyghurs, 2.1 million have been transferred to other parts of China and dispersed and disappeared. 1.8 million transferred from concentration camps to prisons and jails, and the rest, some of them have been transferred to forced labor factories in East Turkestan. Recently, our foundation made a list of the Chinese companies that hiring Uyghur people as forced labor workers in East Turkestan. The number is very huge, more than 14,000 factories in East Turkestan alone. So if one factory employs about 100 Uyghurs, this means they have 1.4 million Uyghurs being employed as forced labor workers in Chinese factories in East Turkestan. Okay. So the real situation is much, much worse.
Akin Siddique from the Uyghur Projects Foundation speaking to me earlier.